Hello, our subject today is on science, and our topic today is invertebrates and vertebrates. Let's start with the definition. A vertebrate animal has a backbone, as you can see in this model of an extinct dinosaur. Long backbone right down, all the way down to the tailbone. They are consistent with amphibians, fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Invertebrate animals do not have a backbone, as you can see in this jellyfish. They are insects, flatworms, sponges, and spiny animals. Vertebrate animals consist of 2% of the animal species that have a backbone, and because of their advanced nervous system, they are believed to be smarter than animals without a vertebrae. They are able to make their own food, and because they are able to adapt to different habitats, they can live on the land, sea, and air. Some examples are, we see as a fish right here. For reptiles, we have a snake. Birds, we have these beautiful colorful parrots. Amphibians, we have a tree frog. We have the domestic house cat right here. And of course, we have you guys. People are also included in this category. Invertebrate animals consist of 98% of animals do not have a backbone. They cannot make their own food, and they rely on their environment for feeding. Smaller in size, they have to find different ways to live, so you'll find them in forests, caves, deserts, and seabed mud. Some examples of these are spiders. They can be jointed or unjointed. Worms, we have flatworms and roundworms. Sponges, as you can see in this coral at the bottom of the ocean, also in this coral right here. And these beautiful starfish, which are the spiny animals, and we have a couple of them on the ocean floor as well. So for your assignment class, I want you to look around your house, inside and outside, and make a list of what vertebrate and invertebrate animals you see. Be ready tomorrow to share your lists. Thank you.